ओ नमो नमः. गीताभ्यासे 2-47 कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते. A study by S.L. Abhyankar, Mumbai, Somavasare, June 22nd, 2020. It would be good to begin every session of Gita Abhyasa with recitation of Gita Dhyanam and the Namana Vakyam. Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavata Narayanena Swayam Vyasena Grathitam Purana Munina Madhye Mahabharatam Advaitam Vrutavarshiniim Bhagavatim Ashtadashadhyayinim Ambatvamanusandathami Bhagavad Gite Bhavadveshinim. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्मफलहेतुर्भूर्मा ते संगोऽस्त्वकर्मणि. पदच्छेदा. कर्मणि एव अधिकारः ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्मफलहेतुः अभूः मा ते संगः अस्तु अकर्मणि. Phrase by study, Vakyamshashah Abhyasah. We have columns here. Anukramankah, Avyayah, Anye Subantah, Kartrupadiyah, Karmapadiyah, Kriyapadiyah, Prayogah, Prakarah. Eva Karmani te Adhikarah Bhavati. Kartari Prayoga, active voice, Pradhanah, main clause. मा कदाचन फलेषु भवति. अगेन एक्टिव वॉइस कर्तरी प्रयोगः प्रधानः मेन क्लॉज. मा कर्मफल हेतुः अभूः. एक्टिव वॉइस कर्तरी प्रयोगः प्रधानः. मा ते अकर्मणि संगः अस्तु. कर्तरी प्रयोगः प्रधानः. तिगंतशः अभ्यास. भवति भू प्रथमगणीयः परस्मैपदी. टू बिकम. कर्तरि प्रयोगः एक्टिव वॉइस लट लकारः वर्तमान कालः प्रेजेंट टेंस. प्रथम पुरुषः एकवचनम्. अभूः भू प्रथमगणीयः परस्मैपदी. टू बिकम. कर्तरि प्रयोगः लुंग लकारः. This is a very rare type of lakara. Lung lakara. It is anadyatana bhavishyat kala. Future tense, but of anadyatana type, and that is why it gets that prefix o. Madhyama purushaha ekvachanam. Astu. As द्वितीय गणीयः परस्मैपदी. To be. कर्तरि प्रयोगः लोट लकारः मध्यम प्रथम पुरुषः एकवचनम्. Note, a verb in lung gets the sense of load when associated with ma. Also, the a of lung suffers elision. समासशः अभ्यासः. कर्मफल हेतुः. कर्मफल हेतु विशेषणम्. पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम्. कर्मणः फलम् इति कर्मफलं षष्ठी तत्पुरुषः. कर्मफलं हेतुः यस्य सः कर्मफल हेतुः बहुव्रीहि. कर्मफल हेतुः one for whom fruits of action is the motivation. अकर्मणि. अकर्मन्. नाम नपुंसकलिंगम सप्तमी एकवचनम्. न कर्म इति अकर्म न तत्पुरुषः. Note, a is a prefix of negation, but negation itself has 6 shades. So, meaning of a word such as akarma ought to be detailed by all the 6 shades. And all the 6 shades of negation connoted by a are compiled in a subhashitam tatsa adrishyam abhavasya etc. and I have presented a study of this Subhashitam in my YouTube post https://youtube.be/hk5_td_0d94. संगः संग इति प्रातिपदिकं नाम पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम. सम stands for सम्यक सर्वशः and गमः. So संगमः इति संगः उपपद तत्पुरुष. संगः is also कृदंतम from धातु संज प्रथमगणीयः परस्मैपदी with कृत प्रत्ययः घञ्. संगः all in all means attachment, association. Krudantashah abhyasa. Now just now I discussed Sangaha as a Krudantam, but I am not including it under Krudantashah abhyasa because Naikam api Kriyapadiyam Krudantam atra. Normally the kind of Krudantas what I am discussing under Krudantashah abhyasa are those which are Kriyapadiya. Subantashah abhyasa. We have columns here. Subantah प्रातिपदिकम जातिः प्रातिपदिकार्थः लिंगम विभक्तिः वचनम. कर्मणि प्रातिपदिकम कर्मन् नाम एक्शन नपुंसकलिंगम सप्तमी एकवचनम. अधिकारः प्रातिपदिकम अधिकार नाम नाउन कमांड पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम. ते प्रातिपदिकम युष्मत् सर्वनाम यू. अत्र पुल्लिंगम चतुर्थी वा षष्ठी एकवचनम. मा अव्यय not, and because it is an avyam, no detail of lingam vibhakti hi vachanam. Phaleshu प्रातिपदिकम फल नाम fruit नपुंसकलिंगम सप्तमी बहुवचनम. कदाचन अव्ययम any time, and because it is avyam, no detail of lingam vibhakti hi vachanam. हेतु प्रातिपदिकम हेतु नाम motivation. Now this word hetu has many different meanings in different contexts. So here the meaning appropriate to the context is motivation. So I am mentioning that as a pratipadika artha. पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम. अन्वयार्थः ते अधिकारः कर्मणि एव भवति. You have command only unto actions. फलेषु कदाचन मा भवति. You have no command on fruits of actions. कर्म फल हेतु मा अभूः. May you not have motivation from fruits of actions. ते अकर्मणि संगः मा अस्तु. May you not indulge in akarma. That is, may you not indulge in anything which would qualify to be akarma. छंदो विश्लेषण. कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते धिकारस्ते. Because of ste, r gets two मात्रा. एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे. मा फलेषु कदाचन कदाच. एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका. मा कर्मफल हेतुर्भू ल हेतुर्भू. Because of भू two gets two matras. एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे. माते संगोस्त्व कर्मणि स्त्वकर्म. एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका. अनुष्टुप् छन्दः. Notes of self study. Indian philosophy is often criticized to be pessimistic and submissive, that everything is dictated and controlled by providence. What has to happen will happen. nobody can do anything about it. Here, te karmani adhikaraha is in total opposition of that pessimism or submission. Though this is said to Arjuna, it applies to all of us. We all are free to choose what actions we want to indulge in. That is how we lead our life. Note, karmani adhikaraha includes akarmani adhikaraha also. One may choose to indulge into what may qualify to be akarma. Being aware of that, Sri Krishna Bhagavan is advocating that te akarmani sangaha ma astu. May you not indulge in what may qualify to be akarma. This shloka speaks of hetu, motivation for action. This shloka seems to be quite common and popular also in this sense of motivation. In 1979, there was a session on management of men as a part of a seminar on management challenges of the 80s. I put forth the suggestion Gita should be studied as a digest of the science and philosophy of motivation. I made an observation that Gitopadesha was necessitated because Arjuna lost his motivation to fight. Sri Krishna Bhagavan, as the manager on the spot, did motivate Arjuna to fight. During the tea break, a gentleman came to me and introduced himself as a trade union leader. He said, Mr. Abhyankar, when you made mention of Gita, I thought you will quote Karmanneva adhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachanam. You know that we of trade unions cannot buy that. He appreciated that my line of thinking was different. Certainly, that trade union leader knew this shloka and its general purport also. It certainly is a management challenge to keep people of working class motivated to work with good productivity. Actually, the phrase Ma karma phala hetur bhuhu is in further criticism of Vedavadartaha for their indulgence in Janma karma phala prada bhogaishwarya gatim prati kriya vishesha bahula vak, which we studied in 2:42 and 2:43. YouTube has the facility to post comments, but I would urge upon readers to please send comments directly to me to sanskrit2601 at gmail.com. Shubhamastu.